Today we have another set of three puzzles, and all of them are based on numbers. The first one is with respect to scale, one is a caterpillar problem, and another one is calendar. Let's move on to the first puzzle. There are 24 pounds of nails in a sack. Can you measure out 9 pounds of nails using only a balance with 2 pans? So in this we have 2 pans and we need to use the 24 pounds of nails here. So immediately what I can do is this 24 I can split it into 12 and 12 on each side so that the scale will balance and I can identify 12 nails. I know what I'm going to do is we need to get to 9. So again what I can do it is this 12 I can again split into 6 and 6. So I can isolate the 6 and push it away, which will give me the answer. We have like already 6 in the final answer. Then again this 6 I can split into 3 and 3 and take these 3 pounds of nails and add it back. Finally the answer. So finally we'll have 6 and 3. This one is a easy puzzle. Let's move on to the next one. A caterpillar crawls up a pole 75 inches high, starting from the ground. So we have a pole here. This is 75 inches. Okay, starting from the ground. Each day it crawls up 5 inches. Anyway, I'm not trying to scale. It goes up 5 inches. Okay, and each night it slides down 4 inches and it comes down to 4 inches. When will it first reach the top of the pole? Okay, so let's see. Morning it goes up in the 5, in the night it comes down 4. So in each day we can do as it travels like 1 inch to the top. And our question is, when will it first reach the top of the pole? So the total inches is 75 inches. It travels 1 inch to the top. So our first thought process will be it will take 75 days. But here is the trick here. Let's assume it's the 70th day. So if it is in the 70th day, it would have come by 70 inches here. This is the 70th day. In the 71st day, it would have gone up by 5 inches, right? So it would have already reached the top of the pole. Only on the 71st night, it comes down back 4 inches, so it goes to 71 inches. So our actual answer is actually the 71st day, because the question asks when will it reach first. Okay, hope you found this answer a little tricky, but the idea is not to jump into conclusions very quickly. All right, let's go on to the next puzzle. Okay, in a certain year, there were exactly 4 Fridays and 4 Mondays in January. On what day of the week did the 20th of January fall that year? Okay, so for understanding this, I've just set up a basic calendar here. The key thing to notice in this calendar is this particular column. So let's say January starts with first on a Friday. All these dates will fall in the same day. So if January first starts, or the first day of the month starts on a Thursday, the 8th, 15th and 22nd, 29th will always fall in the same day of the week. So here what they're saying is we have 4 Fridays and 4 Mondays. Okay, so here we have, in this particular setup, we have like five Fridays. Okay, which is not what we want. So to make 4 Fridays, we want to shift the calendar by each day. So let's say if the 31st somehow needs to end here. If 31st needs to end here, this will be 30th and this will be 29. And if you're going to shift everything here, we have to shift by 3 days. And now we have, so if the month starts on a Tuesday, then we know that we'll have like only 4 Mondays, which is exactly what we want, and 4 Fridays. So we know that the January 1st in this particular setup needs to start on a Tuesday. Okay, now the question is, on what day of the week did the 20th of January fall start? So for 20th is going to be, so we know that if it starts on the 1st, 8, 15, 22 and 29, always on a Tuesday. So in this case, everything will be Tuesday. And what we need is 20th is what? So it's very simple. If 22nd is on a Tuesday, then 20th will be 2 days before that. So that will be on a Sunday. And that's our final answer. Hope you had fun with these 3 puzzles. Do have a wonderful time ahead, and thank you for watching.